Hi folks, I'm Scott James with Blue Water Yacht Sales. We're in Hampton, Virginia. Today we're on a 2023 Tiara 38LS. Really cool boat. We have triple 300 EFI Mercury 4-stroke motors. Huge aft lounge U-shape that rotates to face the stern if you want, or rotates to face forward. Nice 2 little seats right here, refrigerator in between, grill right here, stainless steel sink. Microwave is in the cabin. So let's talk about mechanicals. Again, triple 300 EFI Mercuries, about 120 hours. Has an Onan diesel powered generator, has a Seakeeper 3. There's the Seakeeper screen right there. Again, Mercury controls, twin 8616 Garmin's, Lumar bow thruster, has the Mercury joystick with Skyhook. We're actually on Skyhook right now. So refrigerator back there, ice maker right here, fold down footrest, fold down bolsters, huge bow seating area. It's got a cockpit shade that extends out and back, that's electric. Great running boat, up on top quickly, big 1-panel glass windshield with 1 big wiper, fusion stereo, 2 amps, really cool boat. BlueWaterYachtSales.com, 2023 Tiara 38LS. Thank you for joining us.